Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. My dear students, last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2015 ಟು 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. So here in this session, both first year and second year means trigonometry functions and inverse trigonometry functions. ಎರಡು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ವೈಟೇಜ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಪಕ್ಕಾ 4 to 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವಂತ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. Clear? So in this section, the first question is listen. So the value of tan 1 degree plus tan 89 degree is. So this question is from KCET 2015. Sorry. Yes. The value of tan 1 degree plus tan 89 degrees is. This question is from KCET 2015. Okay. So value of tan 1 degree and tan 89 degrees means this tan 89 degree also written as. Okay. Tan 89 degree also written as. 89 degree is also written as tan 90 degree minus 1. Correct. Tan 89 degree also written as tan 90 minus 1. So tan 99 minus 1 is nothing but cot 1 degree. Okay. Cot 1 degree. So in the place of tan 89, write cot 1 degree. So tan 1 degree plus cot 1 degree. Okay. So this tan also written as sine by cos. So sine 1 degree by cos 1 degree plus cos 1 degree by sine 1 degree. Okay. So apply cross multiplication. Here it is a degree, not 10. Okay. Apply cross multiplication. Sine into sine is sine square 1 degree plus cos into cos is cos square 1 degree. Whole divided by sine into cos is sine 1 degree into cos 1 degree. It is equals to sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by sine 1 degree into cos 1 degree. Clear? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So numerator and denominator now multiplicate with 2. Okay. We get 2 by, so this 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta we get sin 2 theta. What is theta here? 1 degree. So 2 by sin 2 into 1 degree it becomes sin 2 degrees. Okay. What is the answer? 2 by sin 2 degrees. So 2 by sin 2 degrees. Option A is the correct answer. This question is from KCET 2015. Next question. So here, 1 minute. Yeah, next question. So here given uh, alpha is less than or equals to 2 sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, it is less than or equals to beta. Okay. So then what is alpha and beta? This is the question. Okay. What is alpha and beta? So this question is from KCET 2015, same year. So we know one identity. Okay. What is the identity? You know on identity. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 4. Okay. Using the identity sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. So rewrite this identity means adding sin inverse on both sides. We get the sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of x. We get 2 sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to sin inverse of x plus pi by 2. Means both sides add sin inverse of x. Okay. Now see this 2 sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is nothing but sin inverse of x plus pi by 2. So this 2 sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is nothing but sin inverse of x plus pi by 2. So sin inverse of x plus pi by 2 means what is the range of this sine function? What is the range of sine function? So range is minus pi by 2 less than or equals to sine inverse of x less than or equals to pi by 2. Clear? What is the range of sine function? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Correct? So minus pi by 2 sine inverse of x less than or equals to plus pi by 2. So here still plus pi by 2 is there. So add pi by 2 on both sides. So add pi by 2 on both sides. less than or equals to, we get sin inverse of x plus pi by 2 less than or equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, so minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 we get 0 less than or equals to. So sin inverse of x plus pi by 2. Sin inverse of x plus pi by 2 is nothing but 2 sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. This is less than or equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 we get pi. Okay, so here what is the alpha value? Alpha is equals to 0. Beta value. Beta is equals to pi. Okay, beta is equals to pi. Alpha is equals to 0. Which answer here? Option D is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Yes, the value of sine inverse of, sorry, here some typing mistake. That sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 plus sine inverse of 1 by 3. Okay, so this term sine inverse of 2 root 3 by 2 root 2, sorry, 2 root 2 by 3, it is equals to sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 in sine function is 2 root 2 by 3 in sine function, that is sine 70 degrees. Okay, so sine inverse of 70 degrees is equals to 70 degrees. So here we have to learn 70 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees. Okay, so 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 55 degrees. Clear? So now sine inverse of, again one more time, sine inverse of 1 by 3 is equals to. So sine inverse of 1 by 3 in sine function, that is sine 20 degrees. Okay, so sine inverse sine is cancelled, remaining is 20 degrees. So sum of these two values, 70 plus 20 is equals to 90. So 90 degrees means 90 degrees in radians, pi by 2. What is the answer here? Pi by 2 is the answer. Clear? This question also from KCET 2015. Yes. Next question. The value of sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. Okay. What is the given function here? Sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. Sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. So sine inverse of cos, this 53 pi by 5 also written as 10 pi plus 3 pi by 5. 10 pi plus 3 pi by 5. So sine inverse of cos 10 pi plus 3 pi by 5 means, so 10 pi. Okay, so 10 pi means 5 into 2 pi. Okay, 5 into 2 pi. So we know cos 2 pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. Correct? Cos 2 pi plus theta is equals to cos theta. So what is theta here? 3 pi by 5. So sine inverse of cos of 2 pi plus theta. Okay, 2 pi plus theta means 5. Get 5 to the 10. 2 pi plus theta means cos theta. That is 3 pi by 5. Okay, so this function also simplify sin inverse of this cos theta also written as sin of 90 minus theta. 90 is nothing but pi by 2 minus theta. That is 3 pi by 5. Okay, so sin inverse of sin 90 minus theta. Clear? This cos theta also written as sin inverse of sin 90 minus theta. So simplify this sin inverse of sin of this pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2. Okay, direct you have to write. No need to write this step. No need. Direct write. Like sin inverse sin is cancel. We get pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5. Okay, we get here 5 pi minus 3 to the 6 pi by 5 to the 10. So 6 pi minus 5 is minus pi by 10. Okay, so minus pi by 10 is the answer. Option D is the answer. Clear? This question is from KCET 2016. Next question. See now, next question is 3 tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi. Okay, 3 tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi. So this question is from again KCET 2016. So first to simplify this cot inverse of x. Okay, so cot inverse of x is equals to tan inverse of 1 by x. Okay, cot inverse of multiplicative inverse of cot is tan. So cot inverse of x is tan inverse of 1 by x. Simplifying this, 3 tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 1 by x is equals to pi. So this is we get. So now you have to check using the options A, B, C, D. Let you consider let x is equals to 1 means. Okay. Let you consider x is equals to 1 means here the RHS value must be 5. Okay. So substitute x is equals to 1 in LHS, that is 3 tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 1 by 1 we get 1 only. Okay. So 3 tan inverse of 1 value. Tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 and 1 pi by 4 we get 4 pi by 4. 4 cancel. What is the answer? Y is the answer. So this is RHS. Okay. Now what is the value of x here? What is the value of x? X is equals to 1. So our correct answer is x is equals to 1. Clear? Next. Here general solution. Next question. This question is from KCET 2016. The general solution of cot theta plus tan theta is equals to 2. Means here we need to find the general solutions of theta. Okay. General solution of cot theta plus tan theta is equals to 2. So first simplify this cot theta plus tan theta also written as cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. This tan theta means sin theta by cos theta is equals to 2. Apply cross multiplication. Cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta is equals to 2. Okay. So this value we get sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 2 sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta is equals to 1. Okay. So 2 sin 2 theta is equals to 1 in sin function. 1 in sin function, that is sin pi by 2. Okay. Sin pi by 2. So we get 2 theta is equals to pi by 2 plus general solution of sin, that is 2n pi. Okay, that is 2n pi. So this 2 is transformed right hand side. 2 is transformed right hand side. We get theta is equals to pi by 4 plus 2 and 2 cancel. Remaining is n pi. Okay, now write general. So this is theta. General solution is theta is equals to n pi by 4 plus minus 1 whole to the power of n pi by 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Theta is equals to n pi by 4 minus to the power of n pi by 4. So which option here? So option A is the correct answer. Okay. This question is from KCET 2016. Clear? Next. The value of tan pi by 8 is. The value of tan pi by 8 is. So this tan pi by 8 also written as tan means sin pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. Okay. Rationalize this function with cos pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. We get sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole divided by cos square pi by 8. Correct. So numerator and denominator multiplicate with the 2. We get 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 pi by 8. Sin 2 theta by 2 cos square pi by 8. So here using one identity. So cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So this minus 1 is transformed on left hand side becomes cos 2 theta plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square theta. Okay. So but here 2 cos square theta. Theta is nothing but pi by 8. Okay. 2 cos square theta is cos 2 theta plus 1. So cos 2 theta plus 1 means cos 2 theta is pi by 8 plus 1. Okay. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. We get sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 plus 1. Okay. Sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 by, sorry, 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, simplify this. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, simplify this. 1 by root 2 by 1 plus root 2 by root 2. Clear? Applying rational LCM. So root 2 is cancelled. Remaining is 1 by 1 plus root 2 is the answer. What is the answer? 1 by 1 plus root 2 is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. This question also from KCET 2016. Sorry, last question also from KCET 16. Clear? This question also from KCET 16. What is the question here? Sine 1 degree plus sine 2 degrees plus sine 3 degrees plus sine 4 degree and so on up to sine 359 degree is. Very simple question. Very easy question. We know one identity. Sine theta plus sine 180 minus theta is equals to 0. Okay. Sine theta plus sine 180 minus theta is equals to 0. So here sine 1 degree plus sine 180 means 2 into 180 degrees minus 1 is equals to 0. 2 into 180 means 360. 360 minus 1 is 359. So this term is consider means sine 1 degree plus sine 2 into 180 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this term it becomes 0. Now observe this term. So sine 2 degree plus sine 2 into 180 degrees minus 2 is equals to 0. And here this second term and this before term it becomes 0. So sum of all 0 values is equals to 0. Okay, so what is the answer here? 0 is the answer. Clear? Very simple question. Next. Yes, dear students, if you like these classes or if you like these videos, please share and subscribe for more updates. Okay. So in the next class, we continued remaining questions from trigonometry chapters. Clear? Thank you so much.